On this week's episode of Dine It Frugal, we're making cauliflower and potato soup. Let's go. Okay, we're going to start off with some olive oil in a pan, and then to that, once it's a little bit warm, we're going to add our onion and our crushed garlic. Again, all of the ingredients are down in the description if you want those. We're just going to heat that onion and garlic or cook it until it is translucent and fragrant, and then to that we're going to add our cauliflower florets and our potato. This is a really great soup on a cold winter's day. It's really satisfying, it's really hearty, and it's really simple to make. I make it with the simplest of ingredients. You can put some more herbs and spices if you want. Then we're going to add our stock. You can use chicken, vegetable, or beef, whichever one you like. I mostly make it with chicken, but on this day I had to use up some vegetables, so that's what we did. And then we're going to simmer that until the cauliflower and the potato are cooked through it. I've just added some salt as well, and you want to get that seasoned really nicely. Once your cauliflower and your potato are cooked, it's up to you. You can blitz this until it's completely smooth, you can blitz it until it's a little bit chunky, or you can leave it completely chunky. It's really your preference. I like a smooth soup, so that's what I did on this day. And then I added some cream and lots of black pepper. I find that black pepper is the only seasoning I need with my cauliflower soup, so that's what I add. I just taste it to make sure it's seasoned nicely, and then I serve that warm with some sour cream. I hope you like this. I hope you make it. I'll see you next time. Bye.